welcome back to German Brew. Today we'll make a Braggot, and I'm cheating again. So, I'm cheating again. I make a Braggot already last year with a malt beer, a child beer we call it in Germany. It's beer for children. It's just with sugar, malt, really delicious, and the result also was really nice. It tastes like a Guinness, not so much sparkled I wanted, but a lot, and it was delicious, really delicious. This one is now not a malt beer, it's alcohol-free beer, so also extra herb. That means they use a lot of hops for it, and it came in plastic bottles. We just put a little. Yes. Beer. Extra herb. I wanted a little bit sweeter at the end. I wanted, of course, sparkled again. And I want a honey flavor in it. First of all, we need to open all the bottles and get out the CO2. This is a little bit tricky because the last time I make it just here in the container, it didn't work well because a lot of foam. So the trick is to heat the beer. So the beer already becomes warm and you can see the foam is not stable anymore. It's already. So in the time the beer is on the stove, it's checking gravity. It's 1.018. So it's already have, of course, some particles, maybe some sugar that can ferment it. I will use 12% table wine yeast because I don't have ale yeast anymore. And I think we can add 1 glass of honey. Are we then on safe? 1 glass of honey brings us maybe 5 points. I think that's good. Then we are around 0.9, 0.8. That sounds okay, I think. Yeah, that sounds good. So now we have warm beer here and 1 delicious honey. This is a really nice honey. Again, without label, just this. This is the forest honey we buy, where they said it's maybe too much water inside. I think it's not every glass. Yes, 1 glass. Smells a little bit like there's already starting to ferment, but only the start, and it's still good for mead. But this glass, for example, is perfect. It's perfect honey. And I'm pretty sure the sweetness of the honey and the forest honey especially will make a nice flavor in this. Let's see the gravity. I said I added 5 points. Let's see if I'm right. I just added, we have 1.668, maybe 67. 1.067. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, that means when we go completely dry, 9%. No, that's a little bit high for beer. Okay, but I think we're not gonna get any drier than the 1.2. So I'm pretty sure we just get the 1.067 minus the 1.018. So maybe 6%. 6% sounds better, like a good beer. Just put it inside, making some foam again. I don't know how much headspace we want, because of course there is the risk that maybe I don't using airlock, maybe I will use a blow up tube. Okay. that's done. Now we need to wait a little bit more. And this time I can clean. I already prepared the blow-up tube and just a silicone tube in a glass of water. Fix it so it don't fall. And yes, we will see if the yeast will start. Of course we will make a bottle fermentation again later. And we are done. This one will make some nice bubbles soon. I will keep you updated, maybe with a short. And here I need to clean. So we see us the next time. Bye.